Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to capture live motion photos on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, the Samsung Galaxy A07 does not have the live motion photo feature in the camera app. But if you want to capture live motion photos with your Samsung Galaxy A07, then go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. And in the search bar, just search this and install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open, then tap on Grant and give this app this permission. Now just tap on Cancel. Now to capture live motion photos, make sure you enable the live motion photos feature over here. And once this feature is turned on, you can capture live motion photos using the camera app of your smartphone. Now just enable this permission. And you will be able to capture live motion photos like that. Just like that. Now, if you want to view the live motion photos which you have captured in the gallery app of your smartphone, then go to your home screen and open Google Play Store. And in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. Then tap on Let's Go. And give this app this permission. Now, as you can see, these are the live motion photos which we have captured. And this is how you can capture live motion photos on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.